So hello guys, welcome back. Live on Coinmarketcap now. There's a new update on how to get more Coinmarketcap diamonds. I'm gonna be walking you guys through this tutorial. So this is our dashboard. We're gonna It's gonna take us I think 5 hours 47 minutes to get extra diamonds. But currently there's a way for you to get more diamonds, and this is it, guys. There's a daily task. On this daily task you get opportunity to get diamonds. So this daily task, the way it works is that you can get extra 10, that's 20 diamonds. So on CoinMarketCap, they usually have airdrops on a regular basis. They have lots of airdrops on a regular basis. So we've dropped so many airdrops which you can check out. But it says here that whenever you participate on an airdrop, you get 10 diamonds. So it's not like you participating for nothing, because most times the airdrops, they are usually capped at 1,000 people or 2,000 people that are giving it. Most times all participants, they don't get something in return. So CoinMarketCap has looked into this issue and decided to reward each participant for airdrops 10 diamonds. I know these diamonds are like gold, because you can utilize them in redeeming a CoinMarketCap rewards. Now we've looked up about the report, so I won't go into deep into it. But it says here that you can also place price estimates on 3 coins and get 10 diamonds. So this is, you can get at least 20 diamonds. I think this should be daily. 20 diamonds daily. So in a month you are open to about 600 diamonds aside these ones here. So the chances of you getting the chances of you making it on being able to redeem tokens once they launch, or redeem rewards on CoinMarketCap, just increased. So guys, this is a new update, guys. So if you've not done your predict and get 50 diamonds stuff, you can still go check it out. Collect more diamonds by completing and predict and get 10 diamonds. This one is still available. So I'm going to click on this place price estimate on 3 coins. I'm going to click on it. So mind you, we had I think 810 there. We had 810 initially on our wallet here. Okay, it's 20. Okay, so it says successfully we just collected an additional 10 diamonds. So I'm going to close this page. I'm going to close. So for the other one, is very simple, guys. All you need to do is just click on this airdrop page. Once you click on it, look for an airdrop that's currently ongoing. I'm going to participate in one and do it, but because of time and the time factor, we might not be able to do the whole process, because we need to go over to Telegram group. There are still some basic ones that don't require you to do that much. So that's how to get this particular one. So guys, uh okay, let me see. Let me see. Guys, so what you need to do in the comment section, you can drop. This one says already collected, so that's good. Let's finish up with one airdrop and finish up, and let's go. So the thing is that you can drop your questions on the comment section. We'll be into them. You can also uh, okay, these are some of the airdrops that are currently ongoing on CoinMarketCap. Don't feel free to subscribe if you find updates like this helpful. Updates like this helpful. Then give this video a thumbs up too if you are enjoying this video. You can also recommend or say anything you want. So let's say we are going with Kuma Inu airdrop. This airdrop is still ongoing. Trade stars also. Let's say we are going with Kuma Inu airdrop. So once you get over to this airdrop, you just follow the basic steps, and you're good to go. So I'm waiting for it to load, having some network issues, but I'm going to pause this video and get back to it as soon as possible, so that this video doesn't get too long. But meanwhile, let's see how far. Let's see. So guys, these are some of the airdrops ongoing on CoinMarketCap. I'll be dropping direct steps to these airdrops, so you can see these airdrops. You can get access to these airdrops directly. You can get access to them directly. So I'm currently open on our network, having some network downtime here. Um, okay, okay. So it has fully loaded now. So Kumainu. So the first step that we usually recommend, add it to your watch list. It says Kumainu has migrated to Kuma version information and so on co. So I'm going to pause this video and check out our airdrop statistics and do the biggest basic steps here. Biggest step is just to add it to your watch list. We've done that already, and okay. So hey guys, now this particular airdrop is saying that you've already participated in this airdrop. So okay, so we're gonna go back and see and go do our stuff. It's usually basic steps, yeah. So there's no much issues with it. So I'm gonna go over to this uh okay, let me pause this video and go over. Okay, okay guys, so this should load up anytime, any moment from now. So let's just observe it. So mind you, Kumainu is great. Kumainu is great. You can participate in these airdrops. So the airdrop is still on run. It's still running down. So big kudos to Coinmarketcap. They're really trying. They're really helping people so in in the crypto world. Helping. Big kudos to crypto Coinmarketcap. Shout out to them. Shout out. We were doing a special thanks to Coinmarketcap. They're really trying. The website is good. It's easy to navigate and having some network issues. Yeah. So guys, this thing is going. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please, if you know you want updates like this, that's what we do. We try as much as possible to assist you in all we can. So if you want to subscribe, it's the red button below or above your video, the video that you're watching. There's a red button. Click on it, turn on notifications so that we can be getting updates as soon as they are coming over. So I'm currently loading the stuff. So the page, mind you, we now have 830 diamonds there. 830 diamonds on that account. So I'm going to be looking. Okay, it just came up. So let's wait for this thing to load up. So it's loading. 830. So we're good to go. So guys, now you see it. It says now we've already collected one daily task, and we're good to go. So I'm going to click on it now so you guys will see how it's working. I'm going to click on it now, definitely. So I'm clicking on it now, guys. So these are extra diamonds, guys. Extra diamonds. So guys, you know what these rewards are? They are million. They can make you. Can make you So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this update is helpful to you. So these are you can get for tomorrow. We'll still be checking it up today, tomorrow, to see how far it goes. Because it says here is a daily task. So since it's a daily task, meaning it's something you can be doing every day. For the price estimate, I've not shown you guys the price estimate, but I'm going to click on it so you see the price estimate. The price estimate is a way that you estimate prices, proposed prices. Bitcoin is currently around 44,000 to 47,000. That's the fluctuation it's currently having. So you can estimate that by the end of the month, Bitcoin is going to be around 47,000 or $47,000 or 45,000. So these are people's estimations. So you can see people's estimations. You can add your own. So you can click on view more for. I think we've done for Bitcoin. We've done for Ethereum. We've done for. I'm not sure we've done for Shiba Inu. So if I click on Shiba Inu now, I'm going to click on Shiba Inu. So what you do is that you need to do it for like 3 tokens. If you do price estimate for Shiba Inu 3 times, it doesn't really count as three. So that's something we've noticed. So I think I'm having some network backlog here. So I'm gonna wait this thing for this stuff to loading. So okay, so Shiba Inu just loaded up. Shiba Inu just loaded up. So once this page finish loading, you see a place where they wrote price estimate. So you're going to click on it and you're going to make your predictions. So your prediction should be for like three particular tokens. So you can make predictions for the top 10 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, BNB. There's none for USDT. I think you can make predictions for USDT because USDT is usually $1, so it's stable enough to always people know what it will always be. So you can submit your estimate here. So I'm going to click. Okay, for this one we submitted estimates already, so that's why it's showing edit. You can edit it. But for this one, it says here that price estimate for September 30th. So let's say you want to make an estimate. So you can click on 30 and 10% increase in the price, or you can just go over and add your own. So I'm going to put let's say one here. Okay, so I'm putting one here, and I'm going to submit this estimate. So that's it. Say submit successful. So that's how it works. So guys, hope this update is helpful to you. If it is, don't forget to subscribe. It says here this feature is in beta testing. Place your estimate for the next 6 months and see what others are thinking about. Data displayed are based on user inputs compiled by Coinmarketcap. Cutoff for estimates for each month end is on the 21st of each month. So guys, these are the estimates, and these estimates are meant to help you make your decisions better in trading cryptocurrency. It's more like a crypto signal or crypto analysis, or that's how it is. So guys, peace out guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment section, I'll be there. One love guys, your boy Keys.